In the last video, we explained how to set permissions using unit groups. That's the recommended way, but sometimes you need to give access directly. That's where explicit permissions come in. Explicit permissions should be used only in special cases. For example, when you need to grant access to a single person outside the usual unit groups, when someone needs temporary access, or when cooperation across units is required. For instance, imagine you're working on a case study document and need to share it with a designer from another unit. You don't want to give them access to the whole unit, just to this one document. That's when explicit permissions are the right choice. Unlike implicit permissions, explicit permissions apply only to this specific artifact. To add explicit permissions, open the permission settings of the artifact, scroll to the explicit permissions section, and click Add Explicit Permission. Search for the person's access role, work role, or even a territory group. Then select the application profile you want to assign, like reader, writer, or authority. And finally, confirm. Once added, the user will appear in the explicit permissions list, showing exactly what access they have for this document. Remember, explicit permissions give you flexibility when you need it. But for everyday work inside the unit, implicit permissions are the smarter way, keeping access simple, consistent, and aligned with the unit structure. Use explicit permissions only when someone outside that structure needs access to a specific artifact. With explicit permissions, you can open just the door you need. Try explicit permissions in your own BT and keep building your skills step by step.